Okay. So now the static means, so this method is a static method. My method name is main and it's a static method. From static method, if you want to call any other method within the same class, so that method must be a static.
Okay.
So that is a static rule, one static rule.
Okay.
Both are static, so that you can call from a static method from another static method.
Okay.
So that's what I made this one as a static.
Okay.
So now I got the results. I mean, I can able to, so I call this method and I am saving the results into a variable called C. After that, I want to display that results colon plus C. Okay. So this is the results I'm trying to display by passing two numbers. And let me got it. So now I can able to see the results as a 30. So this is the way to call a method from another method. Okay, let's suppose
Okay.
I want to write a method. So this is the way to create a method, and there is another way to call this method. What is that another way? Let's suppose I don't want to make this as a static. I want to remove it. But if you remove it, you are not able to call this method, right?
Mhm.
So you are getting compilation error. So how to call this method? So there is another way to create a call method by using object. So this is a class, right? So if you want to access any member of this class, so we have to create an object for this class. So this is a class and these are the members. Method is one member and add is another member. So
Okay.
two members. So if you want to access any member of this class, so we have to create a object for this class. So how to create an object? So there is a syntax for to create an object, class name. After that, we need to give some object name. It's a variable name and new class name, open bracket, close bracket. So this is a class name. This is a variable name. You can give anything. And new is a keyword and class name, open bracket and close bracket. Okay. So this is the
Okay.
syntax for creating an object.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have some reference name. So if you know the reference name, let's suppose now I have an object for this class. Inside the object dot attribute. See, there is so many members is there inside this object. One member
Okay.
is add, right? So now I can able to pass X and Y.
Okay.
So this is the second way to call the method by using an object reference.
Okay.
So this is the way to create an object, and this is the way to call a member inside this object. So you got it?
So,
Yeah.
how did this add method get inside that object?
So the object is of type.
My class name.
So
Okay.
inside my class,
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
that's what. So first we have
So
to
you can
create an
create
object.
this object, my class name, inside another class also?
Yes, you can refer anywhere. Slowly I will increase.
Okay.
I will add another classes one by one. For
Okay.
time being, just I want to play with one class only.
Okay. Okay.
So next I will create more classes and create more objects.
Okay.
So for this is the way to create an object, and by
So
using yeah,
this is the object for this particular class.
yes,
Okay.
this is the class type, and this is just name, a reference name.
Okay.
You can give anything. You can give XX also.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
So reference name, whatever you are giving, same name we have to use, and we have to refer the members.
Got it.
So inside this object, add is a method, and we have to pass two numbers.
Okay.
So let's suppose I want to pass 100 and 200.
Mm-hmm.
100 and 200 also integers, right?
Yes. Yes.
And it will return of type.
Integer.
So I have to save this into results.
Yes.
Now I can able to call add method and I can able to save the results. Now I got the results and I want to display the results to the user.
Okay.
Now I want to run this program. So right click, run as Java application. Now I'm getting the results as a 300.
Yes, yes.
So this is the syntax for to create an object and to call the method.
Okay.
Okay. So I want to, this is so far this example is clear, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to create a separate another class, another Java file, different Java file.
Okay.
Just right click on the SRC. So inside SRC, you can able to create n number of Java files. There is no restriction. There, I mean, there is no any condition like you have to create only one file. You can able to create n number of files.
Okay.
So by considering that point, I'm trying to create another Java file inside SRC. So just right click, select class, and we have to give your Java file name. What name you want to create.
Okay.
I'm trying to give second example. My class name I had given second example. Okay. After creating this one, we have to type the default method, right? Public static void main.
Yes.
Okay, finish it. So the class is generated. For timing, you can ignore that one. So class, and after that class name. So inside that, what I had to do the general way, public static void main we are typing, right? Okay, let me type public static void main. So just type here main. Just type main and control space bar.
Okay.
So you will get this dialog box main. Select it.
Control and space you type or just control?
Control space bar.
Okay.
So I will type again. So just write main control space bar.
Okay. Okay.
So here it will display the shortcut name control space.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
And
it will show you on the right side. It will show you how it will look like.
Correct. It will right side. It will display full name. So just select it. Press enter.
Okay.
So that you no need to type. So these are the shortcuts. Slowly, I will tell you so many. There is so many shortcuts is there, so that you can use. So this is the default method. You will get it.
Okay.
Okay. So inside this method, we have to write our own business logic.
Okay.
Okay. So this is another way. What I want to do here, I want to create another class called A.
Okay.
So here basically two classes is there. This is one class and this is
another class.
So now how many dot class file will generate? 3. For this one dot class file, and for this one another dot class. Did you see there A dot class? And my second example.
Yes, yes.
3 dot class files. So inside this class, I want to write.
You can have another one class inside another. Oh, this is not inside, right? This is outside only.
This is outside. No, this is one class, and outside this is different.
Yeah, okay.
So we can able to write a class inside class also. That's a different concept. I will take later that one.
Okay.
So that concept we used to call as inner classes.
Okay.
Right now this is not inner class. Both are different.
Okay.
So both are different. After saving it, so it got generated dot class files.
Yes, yes.
So far this is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. What I want to do, this is a class, and inside that I want to write a method. How to write a method? First you have to give method name add. Open bracket, close bracket, and you need to tell here what is the input types.
Okay.
So I want to take 2 numbers, A, comma, B. Open bracket, close bracket. Also you have to tell right what you are going to return. I want to return integer. So this is my method name and this is my input type I am declaring, and this is my return type.
Yes.
After that I had to write my business logic and I had to return the corresponding value. So return my business logic is A plus B. Okay. So my class creation is done, method creation is done, and business logic implementation is done. Now what I want to do, I want to access this method
Okay.
inside my main method. Why? Because so whenever I'm trying to execute this method, so first it will start executing this method, right? So inside this method, I want to call this method.
Okay.
So for that purpose, how can I access this method? I have to create an object for class A, right? So how to create an object? A obj equal to new A. So this is the syntax for creating an object.
Okay.
Now I have an object. Now I want to call the method called add, and I have to pass the two integers. First I want to pass 10 and second integer is 20. These are my inputs to my method.
Okay.
You got it, right? The same way when we go for ATM, right? What is your input? You will insert your card. That is your primary input. After that, you will enter your password. So like that, this is the input for my method.
Okay. So this object is an instance of class A.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Did you see that A is there, right? So it is
Yes,
instance
yeah,
of
yeah, that's what I was trying to figure out. Where did that come?
yes, it's an instance of A. So now this add method is returning of type
Int.
So I have to declare here integer results.
Okay.
Now the results we are saving into a results field.
Okay.
Now I want to display the results. So how
Okay.
to display? SYSO control spacebar.
Got it.
And I want to hardcode some static message results colon plus whatever you want to display results.
Okay.
So if I will execute this program, how to execute it? Just right click and run as Java application. So we are getting results as 30. This is correct, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now so far whatever method I have written, right? So it is taking only two arguments, integer A, integer B, two arguments. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So far it's clear, right? How to create an object and how to call a method.
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's suppose, say for instance here, I declare a variable called x equal to 100. So this is the way to declare a variable, right?
Yes.
So I declare a variable and also I have a object reference for this class. So if I want to access this member, this is also one member, right? This is also one member and this is also two members basically. So if I want to access this x by using a reference, so I have a reference, I want to access this member. So how to access that one? So obj dot x. So x is a type of integer, right? So I can able to access the x and I want to save the variable into y equal to.
Okay.
So I can able to access a fields or methods by using a object.
Okay, you can access a method or variable in any other class.
Correct.
From another class.
Yes. So that is an advantage of object. Okay. Now I want to display the x whatever value I got it from the object. Just I saved into y, and I want to display the value y colon y.
Okay.
Now I want to display y is 100. Correct, right?
Okay.
So this is the way to create an object and how to access the members like methods or variables.
Got it.
This one we used to call as a variable and this one we used to call as a method. Both are members of this class.
Okay.
This is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, tomorrow Already 9. So tomorrow, what we will see? Tomorrow we will see some other concepts called like constructors. There is another concept, constructors.
Okay, okay.
That one we will see. After that, if that topic is get over, then we will see method overloading. I think we have discussed right long back. What is
Yeah,
method overloading?
overloading and overriding, right?
Yes, yes. I will start overloading, only overloading.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Sure, sure. So so when you send this video, you'll be able to combine it, right? Combine.
Yes, yes. I will combine. If not, I will try to send separately. I will send you 2 links.
Okay, okay, sure, sure.
I will send today itself the 2 videos to you. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
All
We will
right.
see you tomorrow, same time.
Take care.
Okay. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. Thanks. Bye.